Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And friends, those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to see all my upcoming latest videos. So today I'm going to share a remedy for cracked heels. In these winters, cracked heels is a major problem for everyone. So let us check what are the ingredients we need. First, we need coconut oil. Here I am using a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Next, you need beeswax, or you can also even use candle wax. And finally, we need camphor. To this coconut oil, add beeswax and melt everything. After melting, add camphor powder into this. Now mix everything well. Now transfer this into any clean empty container. And freeze this mixture into any freezer. So our foot cream is ready. Apply this foot cream during night time. Apply this to your cracked heels, and you can see really great results after applying this. You can even use this for your cracked fingertips.